Okay, so we're back here to teach recursive formula. It's quite different than the explicit in that, but it's pretty simplistic. You're just looking at the term before it and adding on the common difference. So if you need term 43, you look at term 42, and if your common difference is plus 7, then you would just add 7, and the next term would be 7 more than whatever the term 42 would be. So you think, well, if it's so easy, why do we need explicit? Well, in order to find term 42, I have to know 41. And in order to know 41, I have to know 40. And so it's like a set of dominoes. You can't just jump ahead and find term 100 with the recursive formula. So you would need the explicit formula to help. But there are places where recursive is important. So let's take a look at the first example here. We are subtracting 2 to each term. So that would be our common difference. And our first term that we're given, so we'll just assume that that's the first term in the sequence, is negative 44. So, and this is term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4, term 5. So to find term 6, to find a sub n, we say a sub n minus 1, which is 6 minus 1, plus the common difference, which is negative 2. All right, so what is a sub 6 minus 1? Well, it's a sub 5, right? So what is term 5? And then add negative 2. Well, term 5 was negative 52. So this would be negative 52, a sub 5, and then plus negative 2, so the next term is negative 54. And that's how you use the recursive formula. So let's take a look at the next one. Again, we know a sub 1. We have to be given a sub 1 because we have to know the first term to get term 2, and then the term 2 to get term 3, and term 3 to get term 4. So you have to know the first term and the common difference. Second sequence here, we got 3, 7, 11, 15, 19. Looks like we're going up plus 4 is our common difference. And then a sub n is a sub n minus 1. So if we're going to find a sub 6, we're going to find a sub 6 minus 1, which again would be 5, and then we're going to add 4. So the fifth term is 19 plus 4. A sub 6 is 23. Okay, let's take that another step further. So a sub 7, how do we find a sub 7? Well, we take a sub 7 minus 1, which would be a sub 6, which is 23, and add 4. So 23 plus 4 is 27. Okay? And you say, well, why can't I just say add 4, add 4, add 4? Well, you can. But you're also keeping track of what term you're on. So sequences, in reality, when they're used in the mathematical world, they can get really large and really long. So you can just say plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. Okay, now how many have I said? So by saying a sub 8, a sub 9, like you know which term you're on. But the rest of these, I mean, there's some fractions and some decimals. Maybe skip down and do number 5, number 6. Those might be a little easier. And then there is a answer key that I've attached to this printout in Schoology. So when you see it in Schoology, it's 2 pages because the second page is the answer key, so you can check your answers. Okay? Good luck with recursive formula.